Tayo'y support. Kanta na nga natin.
We will sing.
We will sing.
1, 2, 3, go. Tayo'y mag-8-8.
This is my family.
Good morning, guys. Parang kulang pa yung tulog ko. Si Google kagabi. Grabe sila magpainom doon. Today, buong araw akong nandun sa workshop. Google Office muna and then merong something sa Globe. Basta may film kami doon. Punta kami sa Chroma Studio. Hindi ko alam kung saan banda yun. Parang around the area lang yata. Dito rin sa BJC. Gising na si Ju. Ayun o. Binabantayan ako. Nag-feel niya yata na paalis na si Mama. Si Jaya tulog pa. And it's a rainy day. Wala kayong makita. Umuulan kasi sa labas eh. Okay. Breakfast muna kami. Tapos iiwan ko na naman sila kasi diretso kami sa office, Google Office. Para sa work, sa content lang. Let's go! Kagabi nakakahiya kasi may kinatok ako ditong door. Nagkabali ako ng room. Nakakahiya talaga.
Bacon. Poached eggs. And so yung pancake, oh. Do you want? Yummy. Yummy, anak. Ang sarap Ang sarap ng garlic mushroom nila. Kinuha ko mushroom omelette. Sa'yo, ano yan? Spanish? Ano daw difference? Bell pepper. Ay, sayang. Sana yun na lang kinuha ko. Diba, tomorrow. Naghihintay na lang kami sa iba kasi nagbe-breakfast pa. And then, diretso kami sa Google Office ulit, Ang balik natin, gabi na. Tapos sila, sila kids umakyat na. Kasi matutulog pa yun si Ju, inaantok pa rin eh. Nagwawala na kanina. Thank you.
Was it someone here? Yes, the shop.
Tanong ako kay Ana kung ano magandang setting sa Canon.
Kala mo naman marunong talaga.
Pero yung SCN, maganda nga. Sige.
Ang ganda na upuan mo, Ate Ana. Nakalikasyon lang.
Ang cute naman. Nakakatuwa yung mga dito. Clouds pala yan. Tapos yung mga furniture nila dito. Isa-isahin natin. Tingnan niyo ito. Parang flower. Ang daw nito, ang gumawa daw. Ano yun? Kenneth Cook. Nakalimutan ko na naman. May tag dito eh. Mahal daw to, sabi ni Ana eh.
Yun talaga yung unang tinignan.
Pero siya? Foreigner siya. Filipino. Ito yung pangalan niya. Kenneth Cobon. Yan.
Ay, oo. Upuan pala siya ka naka-table.
Tapos parang sumusunod siya sa sa form ng puwet mo. Memory foam.
Ang galing. Cobon ko din.
Tingnan nyo guys, diba?
Memory. Memory stick.
May pa-photoshoot. Kunwari nag-vlog ako. Yeah.
So, she's thinking of making her content more discoverable. And I think that we have Joanna to explain the Hero Hub and Hub content.
Yeah, that's very good. It's a cool. But at the beginning will be last year. What you want to do?
I was thinking how about making a vlog, like making my idols, like idols, beauty vloggers do it.
Diet mode guys. Joke lang. Busog pa ako eh. Busog pa ako. Pero ito yan. Hi Ana.
Diet.
Yes, I'm Mark. I'm from Globe Studios. So Globe is for those who are not from here. Well, Jaden did more than I really admire you guys because you get, you know, thousands and you know, hundreds of thousands of views.
Let's talk is about collaborating friends. Go!
Carry pa, girl. Pupunta na kami sa Chroma Studio. Exciting!
Yeah, I want to look over like. Do they yeah.
Yung security na taga ano. Baka daw kasi mauntong. Okay, so papunta saan ba tayo papunta? Chroma?
Yeah.
Ito ba yan? Chroma Studios. May S ba yan? Studios ba? O studio? Daming tanong eh, no? Thank you. Okay, come on. What's your name here? Ramon. Ramon, Ramon.
Hey, come here. Birthday mo March 4?
Yeah.
Birthday ko March 5 eh. Bukas birthday ko. Sit. Good dog. Sit.
Good dog.
You wanna pet him? Ganda na yung pa. Nag-stupid. Stupid Kenneth.
Lapit lang sa akin. Pag sa show, active yun.
We're here. Oh, wow. It gets colder and colder. Oh my god. Oh no. It's so cold. Wow. Lighting. Lighting heaven. Ayun, no? Lighting heaven, no? Yeah. Oh, nga eh. Ayun na, ayun na. Masarap na may ganyan sa bahay, ano? Teka, yung parang, mag-film ako, pack.
Tapos yung pwede naman hindi ng background datian.
Oo nga eh. Minsan gusto ko bulok yung mga likod ko nasa, ano, bundok, kunwari, ganyan.
Budget. Ikaw nang may budget.
Kunwari lang.
Nabibili ang ganyan ka na. Tayo sa inyo.
Oo nga eh, no.
Pwede naman, maliit lang.
Wonderland tonight. So we had Christmas Carol, we had what else? American Idiot, and then we have another business unit which is Globe Studios. So that's the one being headed by Quark and Aris, our speaker earlier. So here is one of the we are very proud of the Chroma Studio. We launched this in November, and this is open actually for everyone. So I'm here today with Mark. He's the champion of the Chroma Studio. He'll talk more about all the equipment. Unfortunately, I'm not the best person to talk about that. So
no, you're
go,
actually
Mark.
doing good. Okay. Actually, the main feature of this studio is that even if it's small, this screen over here, okay, this Chroma screen. The difference between this Chroma screen and the usual Chroma screen that we know is that it requires little light. So if you can see if you can look at the screen over there, with just two main lights that I use for chroma keying. it actually keys me in on a background, whichever, any imaginable background, whether it's graphics or video, you can actually use it for your backdrop. And are using two Panasonic GH4 cameras with kit lens of 13 to 35 mm, 12 to 35 I mean. We're using LED lights all throughout. So if you actually feel it, even if I blare it on 100% brightness, it's not warm.
Girls, you're very lucky because you're going to be dancing today, right? And there's a new segment on my show, on my channel that I want to start off. Jeez, it is intimidating with all these cameras. You can edit them all together, and you can do bullet time. What I want to do is just teach people at home basic steps. People might just not want to learn just a full dance routine, but they might want to learn basic steps that they can do at clubbing or at a wedding or wherever it is, right? So I'll just be breaking down one step today. And I'm not going to show you what it is because I like it to be on the fly and spontaneous, right? If you can't get it, it's all good, right? The whole idea is that it's not just me on the screen showing how you do it.
Abangan nyo na lang sa vlog ni Ana yung mga kaganapan. Tsaka nila Sage, tsaka ni Zendy, ayan, tsaka ni Christine. Good Jaden. Nag-vlog ka ba? While dancing. Ay, nag-8-8 ang lola nyo.
Napilitan mag-8-8 sa
Galing kami sa High Street kanina. Napa-burger kami. Onion rings, mayo, very healthy food, french fries. Up!
Ayan, di kasha sa ulo! Hindi kasha!
Ligo, Ju.
Ligo. Ligo na yan.
Ligo, po.
Ligo po po. Ligo po po. Tayo'y... Support mo. Kanta na lang natin. We will sing. We will sing. 1, 2, 3, go. Tayo'y mag-8-8. 8-8. 8-8. 8-8 na. 8-8. 8-8. 8-8 na. Mix up. Like this and 8-8.
That's true. I mean, that's like
Yes, we can start that. 7, go. And 1, and 2. Yeah, so it's like kick up and stand again.
Yep. There you go. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm really excited today because it's gonna be somewhat a different kind of video. I'm back. I'm doing it again with a bunch of Filipino creators. Don't forget to upload Jaden all the way from Sydney. Just for today, okay? Just for today. First one or the second one? The first one is this one. Alright.
That's a wrap. Kasama ko si Ana. Titingin lang kami ng damit. Kasi hindi siya nakapagdala ng... Ayan, mango pala. Hindi siya nakapagdala ng outfit for tomorrow. Titingin na rin ako. Kasi nagdadalawang isip ako doon. Hindi type ng Nikits yung damit ko eh. Ha? Hindi ko nakita. May picture ka? Wala, hindi ko na-picturean. Sayang. Pag may nakita akong okay, bibili ako. Pero pag hindi, ayan, tingin tayo sa mango. Pangatlong pupuntahan namin ni Ana. Old Navy. Pangatlo na to, no? Wala kaming makita. Tingnan namin dito kung meron. Damit lang naman niya. Ako, kapag may nakita akong okay, sige. Pero pag wala, okay na yung yung dala ko. Hi. Tulog ka? Tulog ka? Saan na mga anak mo? Ju! Hi, baby, my love! Hi! Di mo pinonsen?
Dedma? Who are you? Hi! Pansinin mo ako! Hello! Ba't na yan eh?
Ba't yan pa rin yung damit? Gusto niyo mag-dinner doon sa kanila? Doon sa, dito lang in front of Seda daw. Tomati. Hi! Punta kami doon guys sa may Tomatito. Ayun, nandun yung Google team. So, doon kami magdi-dinner. Oh yes, ulit. Ano. Miss ko yung baby ko. Ay, oh, halika na, let's go. Gusto na lumabas nito. Hi, Nicole and Jamba. Nalubog nila kami dito. Pwede mo ba? Oh my God! Hello po. Punta din po kami doon. Ano na kayo? Ay, habang ako kayo. Kanina kasama ko si Ana, sayang. Interested si Jaya dito sa art bar. Okay, so ito pala siya. Pumunta pa kami dun sa papuntang market. Ito lang pala. Nakakaloka. We're here na sa Tomatito.
But now
Meron siyang cheese sa loob, no? How about you? Is it good? Balik na kami. Take out na lang kami ng ano. Hindi ako nabusog dun sa ano kasi naglolo ko si Joe. Kaya hindi ako nabusog. So anyway, babalik na kami sa room.
Si Mama and Joe. Sleep na rin ako. Alright. Night, guys. Let's go. Night. Bye.